Hi, I'm Atif Mahmood. I'm the Technical Director for Targus EMEA. I want to give you an example of one of our Type-C products. It's a USB Type-C adapter. It has 3 ports at the back here. USB data port there. We have the HDMI output for display, and we've got the USB-C input for charge up to 60 watts. I want to give you an example of what we can do with the adapter and a Windows 10 phone. And what we'll go through is a scenario of what the phone can do as a direct output to the screen, and also what we can do within enterprise with an example of a phone. So in the example, we've got the USB-C adapter connected to a Windows phone via the USB-C cable. We have a input keyboard, and we have the HDMI connected to the monitor. What happens here is, as soon as you plug the actual adapter in, it goes, the phone switches to Windows Continuum, which basically allows you to use the phone in what's known as a desktop. The phone now is actually become a touchpad. So I'll be using the phone as my touchpad. And here you can see that you've got the Windows Continuum desktop. And the actual icons are all here. As you can see, the start menu for Windows 10 Mobile. The Windows 10 is still very restricted in that it's not really a full-on desktop. It's restricted to mobile applications. It can't run standard desktop applications. I'm going to show you an example here of logging into a virtual desktop which is in the cloud. So we're going to switch over from the phone's operating system, which is a mobile operating system, into a full Windows 10 environment. And here it's going to connect through. Just logging onto the network in the cloud. And here we go. So now we've switched over from the Windows Mobile, and I'm still using the phone as a touchpad. And we're now connected to, instead of the phone operating system, we're now actually in a Windows 10, in a full Windows 10 environment, which has the full Windows 10 applications. And again, for example, here we have the Office suite here, Excel 2013. You can pull up some examples of some spreadsheets here. And it loads up. And the great thing is that you're using your phone as the gateway to your virtual desktop. So just to give you an example of the properties of this machine, to just show you that it is a full Windows machine. You can see there the processing power, got 12 gig of RAM, 64-bit operating system. So this is a full Windows 10 Professional Edition in the cloud. So now I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge browser, and as you can see, it's just as your normal desktop browser. And it literally is just as you would be sitting in front of your Windows 10 desktop at your desk, at your office, on the go, wherever you are. The difference is the actual operating system resides in the cloud. And at any stage, you can just disconnect, and you can disconnect whenever you like and return back to your phone. The Type-C technology is something which is very new. We're seeing the interface being used on various devices such as tablet, phone, and also on laptop. So this one interface is able to provide different types of signals. So you have a power signal going through it, you have a display signal, and you also have data. So the idea is to combine all of those into one. In today's technology, a lot of us are using laptops, and we're using desktops for most of our work, most of our enterprise related applications. The idea of a phone being a gateway or a tablet being a gateway is something which is very new, and it's something which we feel is going to be the future of how you can actually carry your desktop around with you. This is an example of one of our USB-C devices. We have a whole range of USB-C accessories coming out very soon. Please come and talk to us about your workspace solutions.